seeping or steaming or brewing sorrel. It's a Caribbean thing, isn't it? Or the Caribbean diaspora. How do you steam or draw? Another way in Jamaica we say draw. How do you draw your sorrel? Or in other words, what do you put in your sorrel when you are drawing it? In mine I put X, Y, Z plus A, B, and C. Please comment below exactly what you put in your sorrel when you are drawing it. It's a Caribbean thing. Yes, it may have spread to other places. But Christmas time, sorrel is a must. Again, I ask, what is it that you put in your sorrel when you are drawing it? Other parts of the world, yes, it is consumed in Africa. But we are looking specifically at Caribbean diaspora or the Caribbean. Well, by extension, we could go, to other places, but please comment below. What do you put in your sorrel when you're drawing it? Or some people say you're steeping it, or you're steaming it, or you're brewing it. Comment below. Please comment. Please comment. You need to comment. I am brewing mine. So tell me what you put in yours. And let us compare. So there it is. And I'm going to cover it now. And as soon as it starts, or just before it starts to boil, then I'm going to remove the flame. Remember to comment what it is that you place in yours. It's Malachi Emerald, the channel. Remember to like and subscribe. I know you will comment. Comment on what you put in yours.